Right, the first thing to do is to read the question. You might want to cover the answers that I'm going to put here. Sophie works in a bed shop. During the last 3 months, she sold 198 beds. Now, what I'm going to do is actually fill in this information, if I can, directly into this two-way table. Topic is two-way tables here. She sold a total of 198 beds. 59 beds were sold without a mattress. So the total without a mattress here is 59. 45 beds were double beds, total double beds. 17 of the single beds were sold without a mattress. Single, no mattress. I'm just checking that, yes. 67 of the 83 king-size beds were sold with a mattress. 67 of the 83 king-size beds were sold with a mattress. 67. Use this information to complete the table. All right, I'm just going to double check that I've written those in right. During the last 3 months, she sold 198 beds. 59 were sold without a mattress. 59. 45 were double beds. 17 of the single beds were sold without a mattress. 17 single beds. 67 of the 83, so there were 83 king-size beds and 67 of them were sold with a mattress. Right, now what I need to do is to work out these gaps. You have to do them one by one. I'm going to do this one here. I've got 2 bits of data and I can find the third. I've got 2 bits of data, but I don't have these 2 here. Oh, sometimes I actually draw in a line here. This one's already bold, but these are totals. Here, I'm actually going to do 45 add 83 is 128, and I might put this answer here. But I'm going to use the answer button because I really like using the answer button. So I'm going to use 198. Subtract the answer button, which is 70. If you prefer to write in 128 again, please feel free to do that. Okay, I've got a space here, so 70 subtract 17 gives me 53. Space here. Now I can't do this one, so I'm going to do this one. 120. And finally, there are 2 ways of doing it. And what I do is I'll do one way and then I'll do the other way to give myself a check. And then I'll add these together. 59. Yep, check. 3 marks. Oh, I've lost the numbers here. Let's go with this one here. The box below contains 3 mathematical symbols: equals, less than, and greater than. From the box, choose a symbol to make each of the following statements correct. 5/8 is definitely greater than 2/8. -2 multiplied by -3. I have an even number of negatives, therefore the answer is going to be positive. But first of all, what I do is I take the 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. Even number of negatives on a multiplication, and therefore it will be a positive 6. And this one here, adding. So we start with -3. We start with -3 and we are counting up 9. So we count up 3. And to make 9, we have to count up another 6, which makes it a positive 6. They're both exactly the same, therefore it is equal.